A trader, I'm loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In today's video, I want to show you how to properly set up RSI on TradingView and how you can use it to establish market trend. The first step is to click on the icon called indicator, and it will pop out a dialog box where you can add RSI. On the search bar, type RSI. When you type RSI, it will bring it out. The full meaning of RSI is Relative Strength Index. And one of the functions of RSI is to help traders to know the strength of buyers and sellers in the markets. And when the sellers are weak to push the price down, or when the buyers are weak to push the price up. Click on the RSI and it will appear on your screen. The next step is to set up the parameters of RSI by double-clicking on the RSI. When you double-click on the RSI, it's going to bring out a dialog box with 3 tabs. The first tab is input, the second one is style, the third one is visibility. In today's video, we are going to talk more on input and the style tab. Let's start with input tab. On the input tab, the first option there is RSI length. The default number is 14. Then the default option here is close. Just follow it. But when you come to smoothing, you change it to EMA. The length is 14. Then the BB, STD, def is 2. Leave it like that. The only thing you want to change here is EMA. Then let's go to style tab. On the style tab, the first option here is RSI. If you deactivate this RSI here, it's going to hide one of the RSI on your chart. Let's activate it back. Then here we can change the color of the RSI to any color we want. But I love blue. You can choose your favorite color. Change it to red. It's going to appear on your chart, or green, or yellow, black, depending on what you want. But my favorite color is blue. I love to use blue always. So uncheck this one, then leave all these options there. Then you move down to the RSI upper band. The RSI upper band represents the overbought zone. I love to change it to blue. Then click on this first tab here, the lifestyle, you change it to the first option. I love it. You can choose whatever you want. Just try to experiment. Then the next one, if you check the thickness, if you click on this one, you can use 2 pixels, 3 pixels, or 4 pixels. So just check it around and choose the one that you love. But I love to use the 1 pixel, the first option here. Then the next one is the middle band. Like the middle one, I love to change it to black. Then and change the lifestyle to this. Third one is the oversold zone, which is RSI lower band. Then you can change the color, but I love to use red. Then change the lifestyles to this. So, and if you want to increase the opacity of the color, you can do it here, but I love to use 100%. So that is that. Then leave the remaining option. Those are the few things that you need to set up on your RSI indicator. RSI background fill, you can change it to any color you like, but I love to use white. You can change it to green and change it to blue. You can change it to any color you want, but I love to use white background. After that, click on OK. That is how to set up your RSI indicator on TradingView. If you want to learn more from me and also get access to my weekly signals on Telegram community, click on this link. It will take you to my Telegram channel where you can get access to other Forex educational materials on my Telegram community channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification whenever we upload another exclusive Forex video like this. See you next time, guys.